In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to duplicate an OnShape document. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cat.onshape.com and then log into your account. Now once you've done that, you'll simply need to go over and find your specific project or document that you want to copy. And once you've found it, you'll simply need to right click on it like so. And from here, you'll be able to see that you can either move to, which isn't technically duplicating, but to duplicate it, you'll simply need to go up here to where it says copy workspace. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see the copy the active workspace to a new document. From here, you can change the document name if you want to do that. And from here, you'll be able to add a placement where the copy documents needed to go. So from here, you'll simply need to click create public document like so. And then from here, within a couple minutes, this specific document will be duplicated over to the specific folder that you have previously chosen. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!